It was very, very informative. Loved every minute of it. Jack and Tim, very informative, helpful, very knowledgeable. Kind of tips will be invaluable, how you can improve in different types of paper.
Absolutely brilliant. Learned so much more than I was expecting to learn. Like little editing, like tips and tricks and paper selection. Really, really enjoyed it. It was a nice educational sort of day. No pressure, nice and easy day.